Hello and good evening, everybody. It is Thursday the 26th. Here's Echo. He's just gotten done taking a shower in the pool that we set out today. And now it's Meadows and the girls. Sky and Clancy are over there trying their luck in a puddle. And Meadow is trying to be a bully again. Hopsing is watching everything. But we just wanted to show you we have some of our Christmas lights on already. Echo, what do you want to say to the people? Is there no turkey on the bottom of that? No? Can you look again? No? No, he's got to switch buckets now, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. On to the next one.
Because we got to check all the buckets to see that there's no turkey in there.
Yeah, but yeah.
Trying to find his quack. Meadow and Lily in the pool. Oh my goodness, Lily, show him, show him. Woohoo! Oh boy. Oh boy. I think we have it documented on camera that Meadow is a boy. Right, Meadow? We caught you in the act. Yes, we did. Hi, Lori. And now it's just doing the big bird by the gate. While Clancy and Sky are still trying to take a bath in the puddle. Together with Hopsing. Oh, Big Bird Lily, good job, girl. And Meadow and Laurie are taking a bath now. Anyways, this is just a short video wishing everybody out there in the United States a very happy Thanksgiving. With or without a turkey. In our case, without a turkey. We're gonna stick to ham. And we're gonna go head for dinner as soon as everything here is all done and taken care of. And until then, Echo! No turkey in that bucket either? No? He's gotta check all the buckets.
Going full circle now.
Yep. Echo meanwhile has started taking a bath in the buckets in the evenings with Holly and Oats. They pretty much follow each other around and kind of adopted him in their little group. Clancy likes him too. And Sky, of course. Still no luck finding a turkey, huh? No. Yep, make sure you check them all. Scott.
Happy Thanksgiving.
There you go. I'm a couple of videos behind, so I'm still editing on those, but until then I'm trying to upload this one. Until then, have a wonderful evening. Celebrate. There's Clancy and Sky coming. Yes, guy. Gotta have a big bird for Thanksgiving. Not on the table. In our case, on the ice. Good bath time for you too. You gonna look for turkeys too? Right, Echo? Everybody walking by. Nine, nine, nine. She's doing pretty good considering there is ice. So with that, enjoy your Thanksgiving, and we will enjoy ours later on. Meadow, stop being a butt. And until then, happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you soon. Have a good night. Bye.